And what would you say the biggest difference between working with the testers in our crowd and working with people, maybe that you'd work with internally? What's the biggest difference in how you communicate with them?
Well, the biggest difference is people that work internally, they usually know product very well, right? And you don't need to explain anything how it works. While the people from the crowd might see it for the first time. And sometimes that's a good thing, sometimes that's a bad thing. And it's a good thing in a way that if 50 testers tells you that something is a bug and you think it works as expected, or they don't get how to use the thing, it's probably a good indication that software you created must be changed or should be changed. And the bad thing is there is always some learning curve, like usually there are similar people, and you have to create proper documentation. You have to make sure that if person sees your application at the first time, he has some, I don't know, document or something that he can read and learn how to use it and what you want from them, what you want from the crowd.
How about you, Matthias? What's your experience been in communicating with crowd?
It's nearly similar to what Dmitry said. What we experience is that we need to teach very good what our testing system can and what it can't do. For example, we had many often the creation of credit cards, and in the beginning we got the bug very often that it is possible to create test credit cards in the system. We said, yeah, that's expected.
The testing system. Yeah.
That's the test system.
Yeah.
But it looked like we hadn't communicated that well enough that this is a test system where they are running on and not a production system. So it is expected that they are able to create test credit cards there. This was this was a back and forth between us and the crowd testers.